Border gunfire, a strategic hill, and a shock discovery that could rattle Beijing. Southeast Asia is heating up not with diplomacy but with boots, tanks, and missiles. And now Thailand claims that it has captured China's most advanced weapons. Hello and welcome to Times XP. My name is Riti Atri and here's what exactly happened. Thai forces pushed forward. Fighting broke out near a disputed border zone with Cambodia. The target? Hill 500, a small piece of land with huge military value. In fact, after intense clashes, Thai troops, they say that they took control of the hill and that's when things got explosive. The shock find. On the battlefield, Thai soldiers reportedly discovered Chinese-made 5th generation anti-tank missiles. Here we are talking about the GAM-102LR, a weapon designed to destroy armored vehicles, penetrate modern tank defenses, strike with deadly precision from long range. You want something in military terms? This is gold. Why? Let me tell you why this is such a big deal. These missiles are rarely seen outside Chinese aligned forces. They are not meant to fall into foreign hands. Yet now, Thailand may be holding live examples intact. That means engineers can study them, weak points can be identified, countermeasures can be developed. Well, it's an intelligence jackpot. Let me throw some light on the conflict here. This clash didn't come out of nowhere. Tensions between Thailand and Cambodia have been building. In fact, troop movements, tanks rolling closer to the border. Troop movement, tanks rolling closer to the border, trade link frozen, diplomatic talks breaking down. A truce reportedly brokered earlier with the US involvement. It has now collapsed. And Hill 500, it became the flashpoint. And then enters the big powers here. Here is where the geopolitics kicks in. Cambodia has close defense ties with China. Thailand is a US treaty ally. So when Chinese weapons show up on a Southeast Asian battle, well, Washington notices everything. Some analysts are already asking that, is this an intelligence win for the US too? Will these missiles be quietly shared with American defense experts? Does this expose China's arms footprint in the entire region? Well, no official answers yet, but the questions, they are loud. Why Beijing won't like this? Of course they won't. China guards its military technology fearlessly. Losing advanced weapons, specifically in an active conflict zone, is a strategic embarrassment for them. It raises uncomfortable question: how widely are Chinese weapons spreading? Who controls them? And what happens if rival learns how to defeat them? For Beijing, this is not just about Cambodia, it is about credibility. In the end, border tensions, they remain sky high, diplomat channels are strained, regional powers are watching closely. One wrong move, one miscalculation, and a local clash could turn into a regional crisis.